Welcome everyone to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on AI-based security operations center using OpenCanary and Llama model. So without any delay, let's start working on it. If you have not watched the previous video, how to configure OpenCanary on your Kali Linux, please do watch that video. So let's quickly start that. So first step is you're going to open your terminal. So once you guys open your terminal, so when you open your terminal, the first step is, if you remember, if you guys have watched the previous video, I have created a virtual environment, the Python virtual environment, so for OpenCanary. So it will not mess up with my existing or my main system Python packages. So if you want to see if there's any package installed on your system, you just have to enter this command. So this particular command is gonna show you all the file packages or all the directories on your computer. So this is the name of my virtual environment which I have created for OpenCanary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this particular package. How can I do that? So you just have to type the command source and OpenCanary bin activate. By doing so, it's going to start your virtual environment. The main reason why we are doing or create the virtual environment inside the virtual machine, so it will not mess up with your existing or your system level Python packages. So because this package or this environment is specifically for OpenCanary. So what I'm going to do is I need to install the some dependencies because we're going to use an AI-based local LLM model. So we will download that model on our Kali Linux, extremely lightweight Llama model trained by Meta. So we're going to type here simple pip and pip install watchdog request llama model. So this particular watchdog model is which enable your llama package. I've already done that. So you just have to hit enter and it will be installed in your specific package. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to install the llama model on my computer. How can I do that? You're going to leave this open a new terminal, and now just type here curl and this particular command. So this command will install the llama model on your system level, right? I've already installed it, so I'm not going to run that. So, but you guys need to install that. So now how to run this? So the command is llama run. So llama 3.2 and 1 billion. So it's basically has 1 billion instructions that are given to it. So we're going to start running on it. Let's start run. So once you run this model, it will start, and now you guys can start asking the question and all that. So let's say you can ask a question, hello, can you please share some details of Kali Linux, something like that, or details of Open Canary IDS, how to set it up on local machine, Kali Linux, something like that. So what it's going to do is it will start answering your question again. It has been pre-trained. So this model is a static LLM model, right? And now it's going to give you all that detail, whatever you guys need. There are many other models as well, but this is a very simple to use model and very, very powerful model. So this model is going to give you all the instructions. Now the next step is model is running, everything is good. Now we will go back to over. If you want to exit out, just type exit. It will back to terminal. Now you're going to go back to your virtual environment. I got into my virtual environment. Now what do you need to do is you need to create a smart IDS Python script. I will share the script in the description of this video. You can just copy it and make sure it should be in the virtual environment, because in this virtual environment, we have added some of the dependent packages which are compatible with the Python, this one. I've already have that one, but let me quickly show you how it looks. If you guys just open Nano, this is my script. So what this particular script is going to do, it will automatically create the prompt, give the prompt to my local LLM. So that's the prompt. It's going to find out the IP address, location of the person with the logs of OpenCanary. All right. So I'm going to close it. I will share, paste this at the bottom. All right. So once you got it done, now it's a time for demo. What I need to do is I just have to run my, let me go back. Sorry about that. I need to run my script again. Okay, so I just have to run my Open Canary. So we have already installed Open Canary. We'll start Open Canary. All right, Open Canary has started now, and we have already linked with our Gmail account. So if you have created a Gmail account, you will see the alerts have been started giving. Now, if you if you guys want, you guys can also um, uh, configure with a Servio, and it will be publicly accessible. And I have enabled HTTP service, so we can see that. So now, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually run this. I'm going to run my Python script. Sorry about that. So I'm going to run my Python script. So my script has running now. It has started looking at the logs of Open Canary, and it will give you the results right here. So for example, if somebody get into our local system, you guys can see here, this is basically the local person has gotten, for example, and now if you see AI has working perfectly okay, and they are basically getting information from the Llama model using AI analysis. So you can see this is like a medium security, and you can see what exactly the problems are. And again, this is for local system, but you can also put it on your public machines as well. Thank you very much.